Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. Glad to be back in front of the camera here. It's been a few months since we've been able to shoot a video. We have a number of projects now just getting started in the spring. And of course you can see behind me the GFL logo. We are at the GFL sorting facility down in Squamish here. And although we don't do a whole lot of commercial work, we are always available for our key partners to help out with small projects such as this. So let's go on inside and see what the boys are doing in creating some additional storage space for GFL down in Squamish. We're inside GFL. As you can see, the boys are well underway in framing this wall that will separate the sorting facility from a new space in here that will be utilized for servicing the vehicle fleet. GFL has a couple of bays on the other side of this wall. Needed a little more space for vehicle servicing, of course using the big roll-up doors at either end here. So far we have poured the concrete floor to install some big footing pads to support the mezzanine level that will go on top of this wall. Of course new footings underneath the wall itself to help support the weight of that new floor. And then this wall also intended to make sure that we can keep any rodent infestation from the recycling side from what will become the new service bay for vehicles. So far, of course, all the concrete works are done. This wall that both separates the spaces and will then support the new mezzanine level for part storage in place. You can see wall construction underway there. And then on this wall in front of us, eventually we will core a hole to connect the existing mechanic bays with this new service spot here. So stay tuned. We'll come back in a couple of weeks to look at progress on the framing of the mezzanine area. This project should be wrapped up sometime towards the end of May, beginning of June. Thanks very much for watching. If you want to follow along, please make sure to subscribe to any and all of our channels. Thanks.